YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video here, I'm going in. I'm basically gonna do a brush session, talk to y'all about, what you need to do to fix your forks, what you need to do to better your waves, your pattern, whatever. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, so stay tuned. I've been doing this for 6 years. Y'all better respect my grind. I've been doing this for 6 years. Y'all better respect my grind. I've been doing this for 6 years. Y'all better respect my grind. That's basically how I feel. All right, YouTube, but let's get into it. I'm gonna take off my do-rag, show y'all I've been working. All right, y'all better respect my grind. All right, YouTube, I'm about to show you guys how to fix your forks, how to better your connections, by basically telling you what's wrong with my waves. Now, you can't sit here and act like, Jeezy, my wave doesn't do that. My wave doesn't do the same thing that yours does. Listen, don't listen to me like 100%. Just listen to the stuff that basically can kind of transcend into your waves, and just take what you can and basically do a diagram on your waves. All right, enough with the talking. Basically, what I want to show you guys is my weak areas, right? I want to show you spots where I need to work on. So this right here is definitely a spot that I need to work on right here. Reason being, because it doesn't flow like I want it to flow. As you guys can see, it kind of comes out and it goes straight back like that. Now, what I want to do is pull it more. All right, now as you guys can see, the flow got better just by me pulling it like that. But as you see right here, it still comes at like a light drop down, which causes this fork to be here, right? So if I start brushing this more and pulling this part down, my waves will connect better. Now, notice how this spot right here, I brush all the time. I always brush this part, and it seems like it's pulled more than this area right here. That's basically because I do not brush this area as much as I need to. Now, I'm always brushing this spot, but I need to basically pull this down. You see how the waves are kind of connecting a little bit better? I can't really pull, you know what I mean? I'm not that strong enough to really just pull my whole hair. I don't want to pull my hair out, so chill, right? So basically, if I brush this spot more, I will fix my problem area, right? This is like not flowing like the rest of it is flowing. You see how everything is lined up upon line? You know what I mean? It's not right here in this area. It's not the way I want it. And the reason being is because I don't brush enough in that area. All right, some of you guys need to look at your waves, look at areas that you need to brush more, and just attack those areas. And sometimes it may not be the direct problem area, right? Sometimes it may not be because of this fork is here, you need to brush the fork. You know what I mean? Sometimes you need to brush around the fork to pull certain areas so that your waves can run smooth and fix that fork. It's not always the fork. So some of y'all that's like, oh, I'm gonna brush my fork to death. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Start thinking differently. Start thinking about pulling your waves and getting everything to line up so that the fork could somehow, shift and move. Because that's basically how you get rid of forks. You're basically shifting it, and it is basically connecting to different, wave patterns. So also on my other side, I recently, scramble washed. You know what I mean? I scramble washed, my hair was hecka itchy, and I developed a fork right here. So the way I'm gonna get rid of this fork, you notice how this part right here seems like it's pulled, right? This part right here seems like it's just going down further than this part. I need to bring this down more. I need to bring this part down more, start brushing this area. That way it'll start lining up. You know what I mean? Look how I do that. Look how when I pull it, it's kind of lining up more. So I need to focus on this area right here. So basically, this is just a quick video to teach you guys how to get rid of your forks. Hope you learned something. At the end of the day, I want to leave y'all with this. Y'all better respect my grind. I've been doing this for 6 years. I've been doing this for 6 years. I've been doing this more than you. You ain't got the answers. I've been doing this more than you. Y'all better respect my grind. I've been here for a long time. About 6 years. Y'all better respect my grind. I'm about to leave, y'all. It's a wrap. It's your boy 360 GZ. Respect my time. Respect my grind. I'm out. Cheer.